OER is very proud to present our reproduction of the original style inner-rear sail panels for the 1970 through 1973 Camaro and Firebird models equipped with the bow-style headliner. Each OER inner sail panel is injected molded just like the original and features the correct grain and texture for unmatched authenticity. OER inner sail panels are produced with the correct coat hook hole and mounting tab locations, ensuring a trouble-free installation. The OER inner sail panels come molded in black with a period-correct sheen and can be painted to color match your Camaro or Firebird's interior using our OER Interior Paint system. Sold in pairs, the OER inner sail panels are the perfect solution for restoring your interior to give it that finishing touch. OER, setting the standard for quality restoration parts.